Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add line shape or draw a line on your PDF file using Foxit PDF editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF editor. Now click on this comment option and this drawing option, click on the down arrow and select a line. Now draw a line and see this. This line arrow now showing here. I'll make it a simple line. Also you can add round and this one and so on. I'll make it simple line, and here you can see the line color, and this is custom color you can add and so on. And this is also I'll draw another line here and this line arrow and end double arrow, and see this. In this way you can insert line on your PDF file. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.